In the realm of online chess, automation is the new frontier. Lichess.org, the open-source platform, allows bots to play autonomously, opening doors to experimentation, practice, and innovation. A Lichess Bot is an automated account that plays chess without human intervention. These bots use the Lichess API to accept challenges, make moves, and interact with players. To create a Lichess Bot, begin by setting up a dedicated account, obtaining an API token, and preparing the BotLi framework. BotLi is a Python-based open-source script that connects your chess engine to Lichess. Start by cloning the BotLi repository and installing its dependencies. Next, configure the YAML file with your API token, engine path, and optional features like syzygy tablebases and opening books. Once configured, simply run the script. Your bot will connect to Lichess and begin playing games based on your settings. By following these steps, you can deploy a fully functional Lichess bot using BotLi, perfect for testing engines or hosting tournaments. Visit the GitHub repository to learn more. In this video, I'll show you how to make your very own Lichess bot in under 2 minutes. We'll be using a library called BotLi to make this possible. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have Python 3.10 or higher. You can check your Python version by going to the command line and typing Python version. If you don't have it, you can download it from the official website. Next, we need to install Git. This is a version control system that allows us to download the code for the bot. If you already have Git installed, skip to the next step. Otherwise, you can download it from the official Git website. Now, we're going to proceed by cloning the repository. Open up your command line or terminal and enter the following command. This will download the entire project to your local machine. Make sure you replace username with your actual Lichess username and password with your actual Lichess password. Now that we have the project downloaded, we're going to open it up in a code editor. If you don't have an IDE, you can use an online code editor. The entire code for the bot is located in this file. Feel free to take a look around and modify anything you'd like. To run the bot, save this file and then go to your terminal and type Python main. PI. You should see the following output. If you see any errors, double-check your Lichess credentials and try again. Now let's head over to Lichess and create a new account. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture and select Create a Bot. Here, you'll be asked to enter your bot's name and select its color. Once created, you'll be redirected to the analysis board. Make sure to copy this link at the top of your browser window. Now go back to your terminal and paste the link that we just copied. This tells the bot where to find the analysis board. Now type in any opening move you'd like to start with. For example, E4. Then press Enter. After a few seconds, the bot should respond with a legal move. And that's it. You've just created your very own Lichess bot. Congratulations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like. Also, check out my other videos for more machine learning in Python. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own Lichess bot in less than 5 minutes. We're going to use this open-source project called BotLi. It's developed by a team of Google AI engineers, and it's the easiest way to make a Lichess bot that I've found. It uses Python and the API to make moves on Lichess. The bot is able to play against any opponent, analyze positions, solve puzzles, and even study from games. Before we get started, make sure you have the following: Python 3.10 or higher, Git installed, and a Lichess account. Although you can use the same account you normally use to play on Lichess, it's probably a good idea to make a new one that's dedicated for the bot. Now let's get started. First, clone the repository using Git. Open up your command prompt and type git clone, and then paste in the URL of the repository. This will clone the project to your local machine. Now change directory into the newly created folder. Then, to install the required libraries, run pip install requirements, txt. Next, we need to create a Lichess account. If you don't already have one, go to Lichess.org and sign up. Once you're signed in, go to your profile and click on the settings gear in the top right corner. scroll down to the API section and click on the Create New Token button. Copy your token and save it somewhere safe. You'll need it later. Now let's create a env file. This file will store our API key as well as any other environment variables. Open up the env template file in an editor and change the following line to your Lichess API key. Save the file. Now we're ready to make some changes to the config. Py file. Open it up in an editor and change the following lines. The name should be changed to your Lichess username. The about text can be changed to anything you want. The engine name should be set to something unique. The default is OK if you want. And finally, the level should be set to a number between 1 and 9, 9 being the hardest. Finally, let's open up main. Py in an editor. We only need to change one line here. Find the line that says Use Analysis on Start and change it from false to true. This will make the bot analyze positions and make it much stronger. Now, we're done. Let's run the bot from the command line. Type Python main, py. The bot will take a few seconds to load, then open up a browser and navigate to the URL provided. You should see the bot's interface. Click on Start Game and choose your level. Then click on Play. Now you can play against your very own Lichess bot. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.